How's it going, people of the internet? My name's Rob. This is my 2004 Jeep Wrangler, and today I will be showing you how to replace one of these. This is called an output speed sensor that's located on your transmission. This one here is the input. I'm going to be showing you how to replace this one just because I've already replaced the input side. I've been having a few problems with my speedometer. It's been going back and forth kind of rapidly, erratically. I've also been having some trouble with my transmission cutting in and out. So we'll see if that fixes the problem. I'm also going to insert a clip of what it's been doing. I took on Snapchat. So let's see if we can fix it.
So this is what it's been doing, and as you can see, the needle is just jumping all over the place. What you're going to do is come down to the driver's side. I have to film this on my iPhone because my camera won't fit under here. If you're looking at your transmission, this piece here, there's cables going, is the input side, which I've already replaced. And straight back here is the output side, which I'll be replacing today. You might need a screwdriver or something to get this off, but mine's pretty easy. This bolt here is an 8mm. It's pretty easy to get off. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off, and then I'll show you how to put the new one in. Okay, so once you have the bolt out, literally all you have to do is slide this piece out. And you notice it has the nipple at the end of it. And once you have that one out, there's no prep to it. You just stick the new one in there. Slide it in, make sure your bolt holes line up. Put the 8mm back in, plug it back in, and you're done.
Well, that didn't fix it. Looks like I had a frayed wire. Somebody had tapped into the speed sensor on the back of the transfer case. Every time that wire was tapping against the transmission, it was grounding out, which was causing problems with the speedometer as well as the transmission. Well, luckily I found that, and now you know how to replace a speed sensor. So leave a like, comment, any advice would be appreciated, and subscribe if you want. Thank you. Have a nice day.